Telly's Talking Chalk, and today I'm just going to show you some of the pieces that I got in my last couple of orders that arrived the other day. I will put my website below. Hey Ange, how are you, honey? You were ready for me. Super fast. So, I just want to show you some of this stuff that all came in the last little while. Some of the stuff I've actually had a little while, I just didn't realize I had it. So this is a two-sided board. So we've got the brown on the one side, and we have white on the other. This is a wood frame, and this is wood as well, so these are only one-time use on each side. I have a different size one here. They come in all different sizes, so you can check them out on the website. So again, we got the brown and the white side. Then we have, sorry, these are my transfers that I'll show you in a minute. I just have all of these other guys hiding in the back. Say hello when you're jumping on, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out Telly's Talking Chalk VIP if you want to be in my VIP group. So this is a black board. A lot of people were saying that they like the black as the background. So this is one that I have. I'm always getting nervous that they're going to fall over. But they're pretty, most of them are pretty good. This one probably needs to lay up against something. But we've had this board before. This is, they push this way. Doesn't really matter to show you, but if we were to chalk on it, this is a reusable board. You can, if you use chalk paste rather than the Chalkology ink, we can wash that off and put it back. If we use our board erasers, it helps for it to come off without any markings. Yep, this guy's gonna need to lay on. Okay, so I'm just gonna put him over here for right now until I have somewhere else to put him. I'm doing good. I had a little bit of a heart attack this morning. Well, this afternoon, about 20 minutes ago. I went, I have a ring light that you're actually attached to right now. And well, it popped out of my hand, and the light part of it, the circle, popped off. So the actual light's still there, but the rim part is hiding on the floor right now because it just decided to pop off. So this is a wooden board. Again, you can use both sides depending on what you want to do with it. Oh, the black board, yeah, you really like the black ones, hey? So this one, I love these ones. They're so cute. And they're hefty little boards. Like, they're not heavy. It said this one's about 3 or 4 pounds, maybe. No, that's my rough estimate. Stay. I have a bunch of transfers to show you. I didn't realize how many I had gotten, and technically I have one more order coming in with like 4 or 5 more. So, there's that. I went on an ordering spree in the last couple of months, and then when the tracking all got delayed, now they're all coming in at once. So this one is a burlap sorry, that's something in my eye. This is a burlap board. So it's fabric, so we wouldn't be fuzzing on it because it's a material and not like a wood or a glass or anything like that, because that would make it not as sticky. Nope, that was all of them. So now I'm going to show you all of these transfers. I'm going to move all these back, although I'm doing this in a bad order because we need the big ones in the back. Oh, and now I'm getting the other ones that are behind me to attack. It's just one of them days today. Things are trying to attack me. Literally, my light literally jumped right out of my hand. It was so sad, so scary. It actually made my heart race. Wow, both of you? Really? Okay. You're supposed to be sitting up there nicely. You know what? I'm just gonna take him down so that he doesn't hit me in the back of the head. We don't need him right now anyway. I think that's why he's trying to run away. So I'm just putting these all back together. Oh, put him in the wrong spot. There we go. Alright, so now again, if you like any of the pieces that I've already done, let me know. They are always available. You just have to message me. This board's back in here because this is just annoying. Alright. This big guy, now keep in mind, I know we just got rid of summer, kinda. I'm not trying to get into the winter as of yet, but this one was cute. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. He's a big guy, so I'll need like maybe the burlap one to do that one on. Put him back for now. Again, another big one. This is the Darling transfer. I don't even know what it all says. There's a lot. The one thing that you have that nobody else has is you. Your voice, your mind, what else? Your story, your vision, your heart, your soul. So laugh and sing, dance and play, write and draw, create and build, love and shine, and stay true to yourself. Embrace your inner beauty and remember to live life as only you can. That was a lot. So again, this is going to be on either the burlap or one of the bigger surfaces that we have. Sorry, my mind is going blank. Stick them back in. Trying to keep them all together. Then we have this guy, which is no rain, no flowers. Sorry to put the glare. I have windows everywhere. Can you see that? It's a big one. Darling transfer. Christmas transfer. And we have the Santa Claus one. It says Santa Claus there. And then we have there's that. Now I think I have to dive in here because I think all the other ones are smaller. There's only a couple more though. So I have this one. That are good for like picture frames. Trying to make sure that there's no real big glare. This is another picture frame one. Got a lot of them because I just think they're cute. So here's an oval one. So this is only going to be a quick live. I just wanted to show you everything that we got. And then you let me know what one we should start working on. So this one is a double one. So the heart goes over top of where the words are on the bottom, so that the words are in the heart. And it says, "Let your heart be your compass." I'm very much a person that tries to stay who they are. I don't want to fake it. Yeah, isn't it cute? And then these are all the little minis. So these are the ones that I would do like the coasters with, or the mini tags on presents and stuff. So we have like the Christmas tree, peace, mittens, ho ho ho, a dove. We have a snowflake. We have bells. We have the present twice because the present can overlap it. There and that one, they actually overlap. And then the candy canes, which overlap, and joy. So you can do red and white for the candy canes or whatever color you want, and then joy. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Let me know which ones are your favorites and which ones we should do this week. Well, I guess tomorrow's Friday, so we could do one of them tomorrow, and then what ones we can do on next week. We have a bunch, and there's only, like, I only go live 5 times a week. I can go live more if you guys want. Again, like, follow the business page, and I will let you know when I'm going live. And in the comments, let me know when you're able to jump on for me to go live. I'm thinking I might change up the timing of our lives right now, only because I'm not getting a lot of traction at 2 o'clock, but if I don't do it at 2, what times are best for you? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.